Hi, on this tutorial I will show you how to change the way your start menu looks. As many of you have said, it is some kind of annoying going through different folders, going through all this in order to find your programs. In order to change your start menu, right click on the taskbar, choose properties, click on the start menu tab and select the classic start menu. Click apply, OK. And as you can see, this brings all my computer, network, control panel, and stuff like that onto your desktop now, and your menu has changed. Now you can select your programs. If this makes it easier for you, good luck. Until next time.